Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Service Part 15. In this video, I will show you how to change voice in Bigo Live application during live streaming. For that, open your Bigo Live application. Below you will see various icons there. Click on that camera icon at the center below. You will be guided to this page. Click on Go Live button here to start streaming. After 3 seconds, your live will be streamed. Then on this page, click on that 3 lines below next to chat icon. When you click on it, features will pop up. You will see mixture feature icon right below the share icon here. Click on it. Here you will find different voice options. Scroll left to find more. Choose what you want to set and you're all done. So this is how you change voice in Bigo Live application while streaming. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.